Meet the concept build of the DJI Air4. Based on the leaks so far, this is a radical redesign that sacrifices nothing in the pursuit of the ultimate portable aerial platform. The matte gray finish hides a structure that looks denser and more robust than any Air series we've seen before. Leaked images show noticeably thicker arms, likely housing larger, high-efficiency motors built to fight the kind of high-altitude winds that would ground most sub-500-gram drones. Every joint locks with mechanical precision, hinting at a shift toward professional-grade build quality in a consumer frame. The camera housing is where the leaks get interesting, reportedly borrowing the triple sensor layout from the Mavic 4 Pro. If accurate, it would mean dual 1-inch sensors bridging the gap between hobbyist gear and true filmmaking tools. This is our concept render of the DJI Air4, built from every credible leak so far. A speculative leap forward that would make the current Air 3S feel like a relic of the past. Sleek, dense, and built for a new era of high-fidelity exploration. If the leaked motor specs hold up, that redesigned power-to-weight ratio could mean a takeoff, unlike anything in the current Air lineup. A fast, near-silent, vertical climb, cutting through thin mountain air without disturbing the silence. Most compact drones struggle to stay stable at speed, but the added mass hinted at in the leaks could change that equation entirely. Gliding over the forest canopy, steady enough to turn every ridgeline into a cinematic shot. Rumors point to obstacle avoidance sensors built directly into the airframe, offering all-around protection without the bulky sensor pods of older models. Banking around granite walls with an agility that suggests serious flight controller upgrades under the hood. This is the moment the spec sheet stops mattering and the imagination takes over. If even half these leaks are real, the sky is about to get a lot more interesting. The rumored dual 1-inch sensor setup would be a first for this class. Matched focal lengths without the usual trade-off in dynamic range. Wide or zoomed in, the color science stays consistent across every frame, at least on paper. Low light has always been the weak point for small sensors, but a dual 1-inch array could pull real detail out of the shadows. In this concept, the city lights below stay clean, free of the noise that usually plagues nighttime aerial footage. Speed is the other half of the rumor mill, with talk of a sport mode that pushes what a non-FPV drone can pull off, slicing through narrow gaps with race drone confidence, while a full-size gimbal keeps the shot locked down. The real question mark in every leak is the weight. Somewhere between a featherweight Mini and a heavyweight Air, depending on who you ask. Either way, this concept folds down to something that could realistically live in the palm of your hand. Portability is the feature every creator actually cares about, and the leaks suggest DJI hasn't lost sight of that. Zip it up, move to the next location, and be ready to launch again in under 30 seconds. If this concept becomes reality, it's more than just a spec bump. It's a tool for people who find their inspiration in the most remote corners of the Earth, capturing the scale of the adventure while the creator stays present in the moment. The connection between pilot and machine is what every leak, every rumor, is really building toward. A smile on the ground is the real test of whether any of this hardware actually matters. As the sun dips below the horizon, this concept Air4 returns to its home, its mission complete. It lands softly, a glimpse of what a compact drone might be capable of, if the leaks hold. Nothing here is official. DJI hasn't confirmed a single spec. But if the leaks are right, the DJI Air4 could mean we no longer have to choose between portability and professional power. And the sky will never look the same again.